how to read books offline on Wattpad. So if you want to read books offline on Wattpad, then what you need to do is, if you have your application, you can open up your Wattpad application. But if you don't have your application, you can also go with your browser. And here you need to search for Wattpad. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.wattpad.com. And as you can see that it says you need to sign up, or if you already have an account, you need to go with I already have an account and log in. Once you've logged into your account, you'll get this kind of interface. Now, in order to read books offline on your Wattpad, then what you need to do is, so you just need simply go with any story that you're comfortable with. After that, go with the plus, which is on the bottom right, or if you're using the application, you will have a 3 dots. You need to just tap on the 3 dots. Once you tap on it, you will have add to library option. You need to go and add it to your library. Or if you're using your browser, you need to go with the plus, which is right here on the bottom right, and then you'll be able to add it to your library. Select your library, go with done, and once you've added to your library, you need to just go with your library section, and as you can see that you will have your reading list right here. Once you find your list, you need to tap on it, and then you'll be able to read this offline. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.